Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of toilet repair kits to help you find the best one for your needs. We've tested and compared 5 of the top-rated kits on the market, analyzing their features, ease of installation, and overall value. Whether you're dealing with a running toilet, a weak flush, or just want to upgrade your system, we've got you covered. As always, you can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is the Fluidmaster K400H021P8 Performax 2-inch Everything Toilet Repair Kit. This kit is designed to be an all-in-one solution, providing everything you need to fix a wide range of toilet issues in just one purchase. From the fill valve to the flush valve, gasket, tools, and hardware, this kit has you covered. The build quality of this kit is solid, featuring durable plastic components and a multicolor finish. The fill valve is adjustable, making it compatible with various toilet models. Installation is straightforward, even for first-time DIYers, and it comes with a 7-year warranty, which is a testament to Fluidmaster's confidence in its product. While it's one of the pricier options on our list, its comprehensive nature makes it ideal for households dealing with multiple toilet issues at once. However, if you're just looking to address a single problem, you might find this kit a bit overkill. Pros include its all-in-one convenience and high-quality components, but the higher price and slightly bulkier design might not make it the best choice for everyone. At number 4, we have the Korky Standard 2-inch Complete Toilet Repair Kit. This is our premium pick, and for good reason. Designed to fix everything from running toilets to weak flushes, this kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance, durable solution. The Korky kit features a combination of plastic and rubber components that are built to last. Its universal design ensures compatibility with most standard toilets, and installation is a breeze, even for those with minimal plumbing experience. What sets this kit apart is its focus on noise reduction and efficient water usage, making it a great choice for eco-conscious users. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the quality and performance justify the price. This kit is best suited for those who want a long-term, reliable solution and don't mind paying a premium. Pros include its robust build quality and excellent performance, while the cons are the higher price point and slightly less availability compared to other brands. Taking the third spot is the Fluidmaster 400 AKR Universal All-in-One Toilet Repair Kit. This kit is a fantastic mid-range option, offering a balance of affordability, ease of use, and solid performance. It's designed to restore your toilet's overall functionality, replacing fill and flush valves, leaky flappers, and even broken handles. One standout feature is its universal design, which makes it compatible with most 2-inch flush valve toilets. The 400A fill valve is adjustable and works well with toilets that use between 1.6 and 3.5 gallons per flush. Installation takes less than 10 minutes, making it a great choice for quick fixes. With a price of just $18.13, this kit offers excellent value for money. It's ideal for homeowners who want a reliable solution without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordability, ease of installation, and compatibility, while cons are limited to its slightly less robust materials compared to premium options. Runner-up on our list is the Fluidmaster K400H039 High-Performance Toilet Fill Valve with 2-inch Adjustable Toilet Flapper Kit. This product is perfect for those who need to address specific issues like a running toilet or inefficient flush. The Performax Fill Valve is the star of the show here, offering customizable tank and bowl water levels to maximize efficiency. It's adjustable in height, making it compatible with a wide range of toilet models, and the corrosion-resistant flapper ensures a secure seal. Installation is quick and easy, and the product comes with a 7-year warranty for peace of mind. Priced at $15.98, this kit offers great value, especially for those who don't need a full repair kit. Its pros include affordability, high performance, and ease of installation, while the cons are that it's not a complete kit, so it might not address all potential toilet issues. Finally, our number one pick is the Fluidmaster 400H002 Performax Universal Toilet Fill Valve. This budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone looking for an easy, affordable, and effective solution to common toilet issues. The 400H002 features a universal design that fits most toilet models, making it an incredibly versatile choice. It's equipped with tank and bowl water level adjustment dials, allowing you to customize the flush to save water. The easy twist height adjustment makes installation quick and simple, even for beginners. Plus, it's the quietest fill valve on the market, making it ideal for households that value peace and quiet. At just $14.98, this kit is a steal. It's perfect for fixing noisy or slow-filling toilets without spending a fortune. Its pros include affordability, ease of use, and quiet operation, while the cons are limited to its more basic feature set compared to all-in-one kits. Overall, it's the best bang for your buck. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right toilet repair kit for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these kits, let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.